The best products to give you the best solution all together in one single package. Our gold package is for somebody who has hard water in the home coming into the home. It's also for somebody who's not happy with the water that they're drinking, whether it's chemicals in the water, lime scale in the water, whatever's going on with the water you're drinking. This is the package for you. First, we're going to talk about the ION II. This is an 800 gallon per day reverse osmosis system. It's new technology. It's what's known as a direct flow system. So it'll give you 2 liters of water, pure water on tap all the time. So it'll give you 800 gallons of pure water every day on tap. You can use it for your cooking, drinking, washing your vegetables. It's basically for anything that's going into your body. This is the machine that looks after you. It removes fluoride, chlorine, heavy metals, lead, aluminium, microplastics, pharmaceuticals, anything that's in the water that shouldn't be there and that you don't want to be drinking. This is the machine that's going to bring it out. It's going to bring your water back to pure H2O. Before the water comes out of the tap, it also has what's known as a revitalizer or a vortex for reintroducing energy back into the water. With this package, you get to pick any tri-flow tap off our website. This tap is for somebody who doesn't want to drill their worktop. For the small little filter tap that comes with the system, is going to give you hot and cold water from one lever here, and from your separate lever, your filtered water is running up a different channel. It's not getting contaminated with your hot and cold water, and it's coming out here. Our 10 litre BLU Softener. This is a clack water softener that goes at the rising mains coming into your house, and this is for the water all over your house to remove the hard water, the lime scale. So this will catch the water as it's coming into your house, and it's going to do what's known as an ion exchange. So when the hard water is coming into your house, it's exchanging the hard ions for soft ions. And then every 4,000 litres, the machine will clean itself out using salt, sodium, which goes in here in the front. The gold package comes with one bag, a 25 kilo bag of salt. This is going to bring your water back to soft water and get rid of the hard water experience that you're having in your house at the moment with lime scale stuck to your doors, to your taps, dried out skin, brittle hair, whatever the experience is you're having because of lime scale. This is the system that's going to sort you out. So remember guys, these are our best products, and the reason we have them in our gold package is because they are our best products and our most popular. The gold package is there for you to sort everything in one go at a really great price.